Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about the health benefits of grapefruit. Some people call it pomelo, some people call it shaddock, others call it the father of citrus. Now in most cases the skin of this fruit is either yellow or green and the inside is either red or white. Now the red color is for the sweet one and the white color is for the unsweetened one. In other cases the white one is equally sweet but extremely sour in other cases. Here in Cameroon, some people call the green one pamplemousse. It is a famous Cameroonian drink. Now we'll be analyzing some health benefits of this fruit and I'll begin with the first, which is it is high in vitamin C. This is extremely evident as you know that any fruit which is high in vitamin C has a lot to do with the improvement of one's immune system. It equally helps promote healthy skin due to the presence of vitamin C. Due to the presence of fiber, it aids digestion, and as a result of this, it equally aids in weight management. The benefits of these fruits are linked to each other. It supports heart health, and studies also shows that this actually aids in lowering blood sugar levels. One of the best ways to consume this is either by juicing it or actually just eating it like that. Personally, I love to eat it like that because I therefore get to grab all of the nutrients from the fruit. In most cases, the juice is really expensive. It also contains antioxidant properties. Now, please do well to consult your doctor before consuming this. Looking at the side effects of this fruit, it can increase the risk of kidney stones due to high citrus and potassium content. Consuming it can equally interact with some of your medications. You may even suffer from some allergic reactions. After consuming this fruit, if you suffer from an allergic reaction or suspect you suffered from it because of this fruit, please consult your doctor. Sometimes even the yellow skin gives you white grapes. And also an advice is over consuming certain things might actually lead to a problem, as it is said that too much of something is not good. Now this is the juice that has been extracted and this is what it looks like. You can actually pair this with beetroot like I just did. You can equally pair it with mangoes. You can pair it with mandarins, tangerines, whichever fruit you love. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.